Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I got the sleek bun with using some wefted extensions. So yeah, let's just get started. So typically on wash day I wrap my hair in a towel and to dry it, and then I just kind of shake it out. I have a bald spot right now, but I'm working on growing it back. Let me know if you guys would like a video on that and would like to see my progress. So I kind of start by just dividing the hair in half, and I have this Chi spray bottle. It just has water in it. There's nothing special in there, but I just want to make sure the hair is damp so that everything that I'm putting in my hair can penetrate properly. So I start with this Dew Grow. I'm not sure what it's called actually, but it's a Dew Grow product. I'll list everything in the description box below. But I kind of just part my hair and generously apply this product. So then I take another Dew Grow product, which is an oil, and I generously apply this all over my head as well. And then another Dew Grow product, I love Dew Grow. I think it works really, really well. I wasn't using it for a long time, but I started using it again. But yeah, like I said, I'll list all those products in the description box. And then I start to take my Cantu. Hey Hendrix, that's my dog in the back. And I detangle my hair with the Cantu leave-in conditioner. I know, at least I think the natural hair community is like up in arms about Cantu right now, but I find that it works really well for my hair and I really like it. So I'm going to keep using Cantu. Then I take coconut oil after that just to kind of lock in the moisture, and then I move on. And everything that I did to like that one piece of hair, I did that all over my head. So now I'm just kind of taking like this little detangle brush and kind of just brushing my hair into place. And so now I'm taking Gorilla Snot. If you know me, then you know like this is my gel of choice. I love Gorilla Snot. Like this is my shit. Like I love Gorilla Snot so much. And so yeah, I'm basically just taking that and just kind of brushing my ponytail into where I want it to be. And you can see like my hair just starts to smooth out. Like Gorilla Snot just works so well. I love Gorilla Snot so much. And yeah, just brush until you don't have any more lumps and bumps and ridges and things like that. So then I'm taking my ponytail holder, and I already have it kind of doubled around twice. I actually found out about this ponytail holder from I Love Sarahi. I think that's how you pronounce her name. Yeah, those are the truth. They're super large and super big, so they hold really well. So after I get my ponytail in, I just keep brushing and brushing and brushing. Like, you just gotta brush. Keep brushing, girl. Even when you thought you brushed, keep brushing. Now I'm just taking my same spray bottle and wetting my hair a little bit more, and I'm still brushing. And now I'm going to start my baby hairs. This is like my favorite thing to do. So I kind of just start swooping my hairline naturally, like where it would like naturally go. And then I just kind of pull out those little baby hairs. And I kind of just let them do like their own thing. Like they kind of, you can already tell like they kind of have like a direction where they like planned on going. So I just kind of follow those directions. And then that's how I lay my baby hairs, obviously using a toothbrush and a Gorilla Snot. And if you could tell, like I'm kind of holding the baby hair down with my index finger and then swooping it back. So I don't know, I think that kind of just helps. Like you just hold it with your index finger and swoop it back. Hold it and swoop. Hold and swoop, girl. Hold and swoop. So like after that you could like be done if you want to, but for me I'm extra as fuck, and right now I'm putting some more Cantu leave-in stuff in my hair. I think it's like a curl defining something. But yeah, this is me being extra as fuck and adding some weave. So all you have to do is take whatever track you have and basically whatever curly hair track you like to use, and you just put some bobby pins on it. I have like hella tracks doubled up, like 4 tracks I think doubled up together, and like 2 bobby pins on each side. And I literally just stick it into the bun and well into the ponytail, the base of the ponytail, and kind of just wrap it around as tight as possible, or as far as the track will allow me to wrap it, if that makes sense. And then after you get that your tracks in place, you kind of just wrap, like flip it over, if that makes sense. Like flip it over and poof it out. And then I think I added some more gel just because, yeah, I don't know. I just don't want my hair to go nowhere. I want it to be smooth and just not going anywhere. And I just want it to, stay put. And then I take my scarf and I wrap it. This isn't my favorite scarf, but this is the scarf that I just like found laying around in my room. So I grab a scarf and then I just kind of tie it around tight around my head, and then I'll go and do my makeup. I actually had to go like get another scarf, which is also not my favorite scarf, but because the first one wasn't my favorite scarf, I need another scarf to tie it down. But yeah, after I'm finished my makeup, my hair is typically dry for the most part, and then yeah, your bun is all set and you're good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.